Now, our number 3 this week, it is down 1. It is the brilliant Interrobang with Don't Try. Now, if you enjoyed Red Winter, guys, and you're also going to enjoy this next track, which you will, they've got a gig very shortly in the Jacaranda. It's a free gig as well. I can't actually believe this is a free gig. There's some brilliant acts on it. It's in the, as I say, it's in the Jacaranda on the 20th. You have the last reserves. You have Interrobang, Red Winter, Meet the Robots, and Ominous. Free entry, as I say, the Jacaranda on the 20th of February. I will be there taking footage. Very much look forward to. These are 2 acts that I've been waiting to see for a long time. So I'm gonna get smashed. Actually, no, I'm not gonna get smashed. I'm gonna take some professional footage. That's what I'm gonna do, and then get smashed. Right. Without further ado, guys, this week's number 3, the brilliant Interrobang, Don't Try.
We all just get along. Stereotyping people just ain't on. Most of the time, they're all wrong. They're all wrong. They're all wrong. Just cause I've got a hat and a hood, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get mojo. I won't dig up on you from behind or even rob the blind. That shit ain't right. Like kids being introduced to the crack pipe, not getting taught to read and write. The right's from wrong, but don't take long. That's gonna be a completely different song. This is about stereotyping people. For real, it happens those days, yeah, it's real. Don't go over no one else's style. If you think it's new, then you're in denial. It's like you see now, you're fucking insane. Have you got a clock going to the vein in your brain? Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy, no. Call me a chavan and I'll call you a prick. Call me a chavan and I say you're talking shit. Call me a chav, I say you've got it all wrong. Don't call me a chav, now correct me if I'm wrong. But saying a chav is as bad as being sexist or a crazy man being racist, making people feel alienated. It's this type of shit that make kids act like tits, bounce around getting asked for kicks. It doesn't matter if you're a mosher or even a chav. All of those words are just as bad. Every time they said it makes people conform to your typing people for the clothes that are worn. The music they listen to, you're one of them and Interrobang say fuck you. Yeah, we say fuck you. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no.
Live here. It's too hot for me. My minge is kicking out a right pong. Pace.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Righty then, who is the number 2 this week? It can only be one of the 2. Number 2 this week, guys. They've fallen from grace. It's the Johns with For a Reason. Well in, lads. How long's it been? Eh? 4 or 5 weeks? Excellent, lads. Get sharing. Get your ass back up there. The Johns guys. This week's number 2. Down 1.
If I could take you to a stage in my life where you wouldn't know where to go, then anyone else could tell you that they already know. Now I'm thinking how I'm gonna get so far, just scratching my own head, looking hopelessly at the ceiling as I'm lying in my bed. Again I keep on waiting for something good to just fall onto me, but I can't even bring myself to get off the settee. So I tell you why I'm like this every day, falling down the hole, but at least it's in my own way. 'Cause it's for a reason. At least I'm on my own. It's for a reason. A little bit, I now take myself on out to town, but I realise that I can't go, 'cause I can't afford a round. And this job interview is a load of me ass, 'cause the place is full of liars. So I ran my quickest started there, 'cause the people were all tired. Turn the telly on and there's more knobheads running around acting the same. Oh, there's another silly nomad, and he's desperate for fame. So I tell you why I'm like this every day, falling down my hole, but at least it's in my own way. It's for a reason. At least I'm on my own. It's for a reason. I'd rather stay at home. So if it's all like this, then I don't wanna change. I'd rather stay the same. I'll fade into oblivion, at least there is no shame. It's for a reason. At least I'm on my own. 'Cause it's for a reason. I'd rather stay at home.
Round Sound Radio, Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Haggerty, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Righty, and this week's number 1. It took a lot of work, this, by these guys. They've been very, very busy this week. It is up for, at number 1 this week, it is Rob Clark and the Wooltones. I Am Not Your Stepping Stone. Well done, lads. Well done. Get sharing and get people listening and try and keep hold of your title. Rob Clark and the Wooltones, this week's number 1.